Hello everyone, my name is Spencer Sbilima, and today's video, I would like to share to you my video presentation about my highlights interview with Kuya Jerome Bartolome. Can you share a memorable dining experience you had in that country? Pwede niyo po ba i-share sa akin yung pinaka-memorable dining experience na nangyari po sa bansang pinuntahan niyo po?
Ang pinaka-memorable experience ko is yung habang kumakain kami, isa-isang pupunta sa harapan yung mga waiter, mga cook, tapos isa-isa silang nagpapakilala, pinapakilala din yung mga niluluto nila, kung ano yung nagsiserve nila, yun.
How do people in that country typically enjoy their meals? Formal meals, or street foods, and communal dining? Paano po ginagawa ng mga tao dun sa bansang iyon para ma-enjoy po nila yung pagkain po nila na katulad ng street foods, formal settings, communal dining po?
Ang ginagawa ng mga tao sa ibang bansa para ma-enjoy pagkain nila is nililibang kanila, kinakantahan habang ginagawa nila, pinapakita nila kung paano gawin, gano'n. Tapos parang gusto nila na mahulog yung para masarap at sa pagkain.
Do you notice any customs or traditions around food that stall out? Napansin niyo po ba ang anumang mga kaugalian o tradisyon sa paligid ng pagkain na namumukod tayo?
Ang natandaan ko lang ng pinaka-traditional nila, tuwing October 13, meron silang tinatawag na holiday or Thanksgiving, kung saan naghahanda sila ng mga pagkain, yung mga paborito nila pagkain, hinahain nila sa'yo, tapos mga prutas, mga cake, yun, kung ano-ano pa.
Okay po. Were there any significant festival or celebration where food played an important role? Kapag nagkakaroon po ba ng celebration or festival sa bansang yun, ano po yung important na role na lagi hindi pwede mawala po sa kanila?
Meron silang tinatawag na Lobster Festival sa Summer Atlantic, Canada, kung saan sineselebrate ito sa lobster fishing season doon sa province ng Nova Scotia. Tapos, yung mga luto na ginagawa nila dito sa lobster, yung boiled lobster, rolled lobster, ito yung mga pinaka-common na dish nila. Ito yung lobster na ang mamahal ng lobster dito. Tapos, meron akong magnet na galing ako doon. Doon ako kumain ng lobster.
Hello everyone, I would like to share my reflection about my interview with Kuya Jerome about Canada's festival. To reflect its rich culture, natural evidence, and sense of community. Like Kuya Jerome said, the Lobster Festival, for instance, highlights the country connection to the sea and celebrates one of the prized delicacies. It's more than just food, it's about gathering people and embracing local traditions. Next is about Thanksgiving in October 13. It's another meaningful celebration. It's a focus on gratitude, family, and harvest season, showcasing Canada's appreciation for nature's bounty. Both festivals reveal how Canadians cherish togetherness and their environment. Experiencing or learning about these events shows how culture and nature intertwine Canada, fostering and strong in togetherness or unity. Canada's Lobster Festival and Thanksgiving reveal a deep connection to nature, family, and tradition, showcasing the country's unity and gratitude. Exploring such festivals remind us that food is more than sustenance, it's a window into culture. Learning about other cultures through their food fosters an understanding, creativity, and shared appreciation for the diversity that enriches our world. So thank you for watching to this video, and also special call to my interviewee, Kuya Jerome Bartolome. Thank you your dedication, and also give me your time, and also welcome me to your house. So thank you very much, Kuya Jerome. So this is end of my video. Bye.